Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yes friends, finally I did get hands-on with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which I'm waiting for a pretty long time. And in this video, let's do the unboxing and initial setup process for the iPhone 14 Pro Max device. And let me know in the comments below friends what other videos you want me to upload on this iPhone 14 Pro Max. And let's start the unboxing of this device. And this model which I ordered is the 256GB model which I got right now in this video. And I'm really interested to test a lot of performance and battery life and camera things on this iPhone 14 Pro Max as well. Even I'll try to do the plenty of display comparisons and the speed test comparison and multitasking comparison with other Android mobile phones, because right now I do have the top high-end Snapdragon processor, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor as well. And I'll definitely include a lot of comparisons with those processors in terms of the Apple's A16 Bionic chipset, how well this processor gonna perform against the Snapdragon process. I'll definitely upload as soon as possible. But right now you can see friends, these are the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is the model exactly. And we do get the only cable, which is a Type-C to Lightning cable we got in the box at this moment. So, and apart from that, we don't get any of other things. So definitely we don't know about the iPhone. So out there. And overall, it did feel a little bit kind of heavy, a little bit, but that's not a huge. So after giving the case and everything tamper glass, the phone gonna weight slightly more as well. But let's start the initial testing and we'll try to see how is the overall experience gonna be there in this device. But definitely I can feel the weight of this device right now. But I'll definitely upload a lot of videos regarding the loudspeaker test and display comparisons, camera comparisons. And let's do the initial unboxing, initial setup process review right now. So the setup process is going to take slightly more time than usual. So I'm really looking forward to test out the Apple's A16 Bionic chipset, and let me know in the comments guys, as I said, so what are the videos you want me to upload. And this iPhone 14 Pro Max, which has got the battery capacity of 4323 mAh of battery capacity. So right now I'm trying to set up the Face ID at this moment. And I'll definitely test out the speaker comparison and a lot of other comparisons with other smartphones. So now I'm trying to enter the passcode. So after setting up the Face ID in this device. So I don't want to transfer any data at this moment. And I'll definitely upload the benchmark test as soon as possible. After the unboxing, I just want to see how much the phone can actually get regarding the benchmark scores in this device. I'm really interested to find those. And overall, the design and everything looks pretty good, as I said. So that setup process is going to take slightly more time. So this is a 256GB variant which I'm trying to demonstrate in this video. So this is gonna connect to my iCloud and everything, all the settings, and I'm trying to enter my details. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick unboxing and initial setup review of this iPhone 14 Pro Max device. And I'm really waiting for this device as well. And you can see the notch, so dynamic island, how the animations are, everything. So I'll test out the Apple's A16 Bionic chipset as soon as possible, comparing with the MediaTek Dimensity process or Snapdragon process as well. So finally the setup has been done, and this is a quick, as you can see, all the apps, default apps and everything. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, straight for more updates. In case if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. Until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching and bye.